Hello you guys out there! So members of the People's Choir that I run have asked me to make a short video based on the I Can Sing a Rainbow song. Now we learn this in choir and we learn to sing it as a warm-up, but also we use British Sign Language. Now British Sign Language, BSL, is very different to American Sign Language and Sign Language they do in other countries. It also has some regional dialects to it, like whether you're Scottish, or Irish, the top of the morning to you, or from Birmingham. Hey, does anyone fancy a curry? Or down in London, Mary Poppins. We've got some differences, but this is how we do it. I learnt it in Cambridge a few years ago, and I'm going to perform it for you first. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. So here we go, and this is how we've learnt our song. Red is the colour of our red lips. Red. Yellow, as if we're wearing a gold earring. And we always use our right hand, so we've had red and yellow. Our pink nose. And then green, and this is because of our grass stains. Remember when you were kids, or maybe now, you scrape across the grass playing footy, so green. So we've got red and yellow and pink and green. Then it's like we're holding an orange underneath our chin. Orange and purple. Now, purple is a capital P, so we've got the little one, but a capital P is a or sometimes they do a and sometimes they do it this way around. Purple, which makes more sense sometimes. So in this video I've sometimes done it like that, sometimes done it like that. So purple and blue. Blue is the colour of our veins on our wrist. So we just get our two fingers on our right hand, blue. Then we have I can sing. I always remember it as a I can sing a rainbow, painting that rainbow in the sky. Sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. And we bring our two little people together so they come together. Now isn't that nice? Now let's try it through and you can sing it this time. Here we go. So even when we're not singing it, we're mouthing the words, because if we do come across someone who's very hard of hearing or deaf, they can still lip read as well. So whenever you're doing sign language, and I'm not an expert on sign language at all, but I normally speak quite quickly, but actually it's good that doing this sort of thing is to slow it down and mouth your words clearly. So let's sing it through one more time, singing it, making sure we're mouthing it very clearly and with all the actions. Here we go. Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Now we enjoy singing this because it's a bit of a warm-up or a bit of a cool-down, but also it gets us thinking about actions that we're doing as well, and it helps with our coordination. It gets all those cogs in the brain working as well, and it's a bit of light relief. And in my People's Choir, we want to make sure we have fun, both for ourselves and for those people listening and watching us as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. Don't forget to subscribe, and there'll be lots more random videos coming up soon.